How to reset the forgotten password on Lorex app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Lorex app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of interface. You will see this kind of screen where you can see the login and sign up option. You need to select this login option over here. Now, in order to reset your password, in this login page, you need to choose this forgot my password link over here. Now it will prompt you to enter your email address. Tap on this field. Now enter your registered email address. Once you are done, you can tap on this get activation code option. You can create a new password for your account over here. Tap on this new password field. Set up a new password for your account. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. And right below that, retype your new password. You need to provide the activation code that you received through the email. So open up your Gmail inbox. Now copy this Lorex verification code and paste it over here. Once you are done, you can tap on this reset password button. And that's how you can easily reset your password of your Lorex account. You can now re-log into your account using the new password. That's how you can easily reset your password of Lorex app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.